Ahmed Hassan is 14 years old. Ahmed Hassan is 14 years old.
He is in grade 3. He is in grade 3. At Taha Hussein School for Boys. At Taha Hussein School for Boys. He is in grade 3 at Taha Hussein School for Boys. He is in grade 3 at Taha Hussein School for Boys.
He likes reading, swimming and playing chess. He likes reading, swimming and playing chess.
He lives at 19 Araba Street, Giza. He lives at 19 Araba Street, Giza.
He is good at sports. He is good at sports. He wants to join the Faculty of Engineering. He wants to join the Faculty of Engineering. Grade. F. Boys. Like. Read. Swim. Play. Live. Giza. Want. Faculty. 3. School. 4. Reading. Swimming. Playing. Chess. Street. Sport. Join. Engineering. In grade 3. I'm in grade 2. Kindergarten. Primary school. Preparatory school. Secondary school. Faculty, college. University. Like. I like to watch TV. I like watching TV. Live at. We live in Cairo. We live at El Gaish Street. Good at. He is good at drawing, but he is bad at playing piano. Join. He joined the Faculty of Medicine. Verb to have. I have. He has. She has. It has. You have. We have. They have. I had. He had. She had. It had. You had. We had. They had. I have a pen. He has a house. I had a drink. He had a bath. They have breakfast at 7. They have a party. He had a good time. He has lived in Cairo. He had to leave. He has to go to the doctor. Apologizing. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm really sorry. I apologize. I'm terribly sorry. I'm sorry because I'm late. I'm sorry because I forgot to call you. I'm sorry for bothering you. I'm sorry for hitting you. I'm sorry for giving you the wrong number. I'm sorry because I lost your bag. I apologize for interrupting the meeting. I'm sorry for not being able to go shopping with you. I'm sorry, I can't stay for dinner. I'm really sorry, I can't go to the cinema this evening. I'm sorry for not being able to help you. I'm sorry for not being able to read your book. I'm sorry. I can't attend the meeting. It's okay. It's all right. Never mind. Don't worry. Don't bother. Oh, it was new. Oh, you have to get me another one.